Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Elaina. Привет! I'm your Russian-American makeup and beauty addict. I usually do reviews and tutorials on Mondays and Wednesdays, and on Fridays I do fabulous drag looks because Fridays are a drag. In today's video, we're doing a review of this not very new but new to me palette from Gourmande Girl Cosmetics, and this is called Spectra, and it looks like this. It's kind of a rainbow-ish, a little bit. It has beautiful shimmers, mattes, and neon. And I'm going to be doing this smoky purple dreamy look. I'm going to be doing swatches so you can see what a swatch is like. So if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so YouTube notifies you of all new stuff I upload. I upload 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I also go live on some Mondays. So follow me on social media, all the links down below, as well as my Patreon group. So like, comment, subscribe, and let's get right into this. So if you guys are not familiar with Gourmande Girls Cosmetics, I'm going to link my discount code here and the correct pronunciation and the spelling of the name. Gourmande Girls is a small indie brand owned by Christina. Christina became a good friend to me. We connected immediately after she sent me PR, and I loved everything that she gave me. And I'm not just saying it, you can check out other reviews. Her stuff is real good, pigmented. When she chose a manufacturer, she made a good choice because I love the blacks. The mattes are real pigmented, and the shimmers are pretty spectacular. So this palette right now is $25. I have my own discount code, 10% off for Elaina Glam. So if you guys want to use it, you can use it on our website. So 25 shades and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 mattes. And I guess it means that there's 13 shimmers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 shimmers. Oh, it's 20 shades. I can't calculate. I said 25 shades. I'm so stupid. I'm sorry. Sometimes I'm just awed at my own stupidity. And I'm going to keep this. I'm not going to cut this out. So it's 20 shades, 12 mattes, and 8 shimmers. I just can't with myself. I'm laughing at my own stupidity right now. So let's watch this. And good luck with me. Never mind, I have a cat here. Ignore that. I just put a new set of nails on because I'm going to drag on tomorrow. And these nails cutting into my skin. Actually, look, the neon swatches pretty well. I think I'm gonna put the rest on fast forward because it's gonna take forever. So this all swatches. And by the way, notice something? This is how lazy people do swatches. My friend Missa does swatches. She'll do a little bit, take it off, do a little bit. I ain't got time for this. I'm gonna put it all the way to my elbow, to the real crazy crotchety elbow. I don't care. I hate swatches, to be honest, because the real deal's here on eyelids. But you gotta be able to see, look. What I thought wouldn't swatch well, the neon swatched amazing, and it comes out on a white base like chef's kiss, beautiful. I managed to blend it with black. I'm gonna insert a picture later or here or something. The blue, I mean, oh my god, this shimmer, I missed it and looks so beautiful, almost like a duochrome. That is so beautiful, looks prettier than in the palette. This one is like satiny. This one is very reflective. Oh, this one is everything. Blue. The pink, the purple swatch beautifully. The black swatch beautiful. I mean, just never mind my elbow. If I only have one constructive criticism, they're way too oranges. Too many oranges. It's very orange heavy. And I kind of swatch very similar. I mean, I guess you don't know until you actually see it, you know. But Yeah, but I'm an orange hater. So if it was up to me, I wouldn't put any oranges, or maybe just one. That's it. But it's a beautiful, beautiful palette. So it's all swatches. So we're gonna get right into the actual application tutorial-ish. For being so purple, I actually use quite a bit of colors here. So you're gonna see me apply, and we're gonna arrive at this at the end. So let's get it. So we're gonna go for black. It's called Gourmande, and wine tasting, butterfly kisses, Virgo. So that's gonna be our main 4 colors, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and that's gonna be a halo. And inside the halo is gonna be a lilac breeze, pink sand, and twilight in the middle. So all of the purples. I mean, I'm a purple queen. Like, I'm a rainbow queen, but I'm also a purple queen. So I'm gonna go with a tiny brush first, and I'm gonna load that black. That makes me so happy when brands put black in the palette. Look at that. Oh, that's good. I mean, Christina's black is amazing. Like this black. It's the same formulation, and it's deep, and it's pigmented, it's true black. Makes me very happy. And of course there's cat hair. That's the usual. Got a little fallout, but that's my own fault. Actually, I don't find like fallout to be extreme with this palette. I think like ABH, I was just using Norvina yesterday, I was filming with it. ABH fallout is like out of control. But fallout, it's just nothing. It doesn't mean anything. But it's nice not to have it actually. And we're going to blend this with another brush. I mean, this black, like a gift that keeps on giving, it keeps going and going on the same brush. So we're just gonna blend. I already have a little bit of purple on this brush because I blended the other eye, but it helps. And we're gonna start with purple. Again, another kind of small-ish brush. I'm gonna go for wine tasting and butterfly kisses. That's 2 of them. I combine them together because I want to create depth, and wine tasting is a little deeper, but butterfly kisses is prettier. I mean, to my taste, because it's purple. It's purple, therefore it's pretty. I'm just packing it on. I'm gonna blend it. So I'm going for the Virgo, the lightest color of the purple. I'm not lifting the palette because I already showed them all to you. This is gonna be cleaned up. I'm not worrying about the inner corner. I'm getting a little overwhelmingly dark. My inner corner is already very deep. I need to be careful. So the only thing, and you know what I'm gonna say, right? You know what I'm gonna say about this. The only thing, right? I wish there was a white. But I mean, you all know why. I also want a white. Because white makes it easier to blend out other things, but I mean, it's not necessary. It's just for queens like me. It's so extra. I always want a white to make everything extra, extra, extra. So going back to purples to blend this. And I'm taking a bigger brush, and we're going to cheat and use another palette of Christina's, and there's a very pale pink. It's called Bijou, and this is Sailor palette. This is like my go-to if I need a quick look. You can make an everyday quick look with neutral black and this, or black and pink. I mean, I've used this palette so many times and put this in the middle. I mean, it's easy look. So, I mean, I need to just like quit gashing about it. But the light pink is just going to help to blend this out a little better. I mean, it's not necessary. You can just blend out the purple and so on. So now I'm gonna go for all the above mentioned shimmers, and I'm lifting the palette in this instance for some reason. Lilac Breeze, Pink Sand, and Twilight. And wait until you see the Twilight. The Twilight is nuts. Lilac Breeze. These shimmers are more like metallic-like shimmers. They're pretty reflective. Beautiful and so soft, so creamy. I love the formula. They get picked up by the brush easy, which is very good. Because some shimmers you have to dig and shovel. And I'm not mentioning names sometimes. Some of the brands, they're like putty-like shimmers. They could be very reflective, but getting them out of the palette, like pain in my neck. Or pain in my butt. Yeah, and then I'm using pink in the middle. I'm going to use a separate brush, and I'm gonna go with Twilight. Twilight is nuts. Look. Oh, look at that. Look at that reflection. I mean, I still ended up using glitter on top because, you know, I'm an extra queen. But even alone, on its own, oh, beautiful. Nothing like stunning shining shimmer. Look at that. That's like glitter, almost like glitter. And we're just gonna blend the shimmers together, and I'm gonna add glitter. And add a little mats. So this is Star Cosmetics glitter. It's kind of like my favorite lately because it's chunky enough to show well, and it's neutral enough so it's light, so it goes with a lot of looks. It's very purplish too. So this is the basic blend. I'll stick to the blend more after I do my base, of course, and I'm gonna stone myself, which I'm not gonna show because it's just too tedious, but I have these gems. They're purple, they're pink, and they're clear, so I'm just gonna like throw them like in your face because, you know, I'm an extra queen, I'm on the berry. So the beautiful palette blends beautifully, easily. The purples work great. So let me finish this and I'll be right back. So this is the final look. I just put my new wig from Shein. Seems like all my friends have the same wig from Shein. I cut the bangs a little shorter because the bangs are like extremely long. I feel like I want like a really messy bangs that open up my makeup. And yeah, so I created this kind of a halo eye, and a lot of gems, a lot of glitter, right up my alley. And the eyeshadow blend, look at that. That purple blended with black and those pink perfectly, no problems. I like this wig. I think I can get away with it like it's my real hair. It looks very natural. Like the top looks a little funny because it's kind of like pointing up, which is strange. Maybe it just needs to be like flattened with a flat iron, and just press it down. But other than that, I'm living with this wig. I mean, this is not a wig tutorial, obviously, but yeah, highly recommend Spectra. This is a good one. A good one. I just realized my nails kind of go with the art on the front, right? Yeah, I love there is black. I did not use any oranges or browns because, I mean, it's not for me, but this palette has something for everyone, literally. Like there's neutrals for neutral people, there's some oranges, some cool tones, beautiful shimmers. It's perfect. It's a very good color story. So if you wonder what's on my lips, it's ABH lipstick in the color Vintage. It's like right perfect color for this. And I wanted to keep it vampy and dark, so it has like a very moody, dreamy look. But let's talk about the palette. So the palette right now, actually, which I didn't realize, right now is $25. And I'm filming this on Friday night, and this video is gonna be on Wednesday next week. So yeah, 25 bucks with Elaina Glam discount code. You get 10% off. I'm not sure if it applies to sales, but still, I mean, you get all of this beautiful 20 shades for 25 bucks. Good deal. The blackest black and the brightest mattes. perfect blend. I mean, snatch it. Go snatch it up. I'm gonna leave the link below in the description box so you can guys purchase if you like. Christina is a sweetheart. Again, we're friends. I'm not just trying to get her sales on my commission. I genuinely like her makeup and it's good. You can look at the reviews of other people. She's a small indie brand and her makeup is the bomb. All the palettes that I tried so far, Sailor Moon. I'm going to link the video for this. And that time of the year, all of these palettes are freaking amazing. So go shop, check it out, and like this video if you enjoyed it. Give this video a thumbs up, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I upload 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and also go live on some Mondays. So follow me on social media. The links are down in the description box, as well as my Patreon group. So thank you to all my patrons. Thank you so much, guys, for your support. I love you all, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!